If drilling into hard surfaces is a necessary evil of your job, and you go through drill bits as fast as you can buy them and pay way too much, then this short video is a must-see. The speed and durability of the GAI Speedbit will distinguish itself from other bits on the market, thereby saving you time and money. With a specially formulated mix of metals and superior designed carbide tip, the GAI Speedbit makes drilling through hard surfaces such as porcelain tile, marble, granite, quartz, ceramic tile, glass, and mirrors quicker and easier than the standard bits offered in today's market. No more pre-drilling starter holes or using masking tape to get started drilling. Because of its specially designed tip, you can start drilling quickly and easily without the drill bit running off on you. Using a handheld cordless drill, simply dip the drill bit in a cup of water, place the drill bit on the specified mark, apply pressure, listen for a slight crunch, and start your drilling process. Because the Speedbit is a scraping tool, it will generate high heat. You will recognize this when the drill bit starts to release smoke. When this starts happening, stop drilling and re-dip the drill bit into the water, typically every 5 to 8 seconds or more for harder surfaces. This will cool the bit down and increase its longevity. Continue this sequence until the hole is completely drilled. For best results, your top drilling speed should be between 1800 and 2300 RPM and slowed down to 500 RPM when breaking through the hole. This process will assure you of having clean holes and not broken tile. When finished with the first hole, repeat the process and continue drilling the remaining holes. Depending on the material, it should take you no more than 20 to 40 seconds per hole, and you should be able to drill between 10 and 12 holes per bit on standard porcelain tile, even more on softer substrate. The GAI Speedbit not only makes your installations quicker and easier, it also makes them more profitable. Order direct today by emailing us at info@glassaccessories.com or contact your favorite distributor.